On this page, we have to enter the educational history details. So first, here it's written, have you graduated from the school? We'll click here, yes. Then in the next part, it's written in which country have you graduated from or will be graduating shortly. Then it's India. Then after that, you will enter over here no, because did you attain the Abitur at German school abroad? If you have attended, then click on yes. Like in my case, it was no, so I've clicked on no. The name of highest school leaving certificate, it's just select from this list, and if it's not mentioned over here, then you can also click over here other school leaving certificate. Then after that, have you passed a university qualification exam? So yeah, definitely you should click over yes, because university qualification exam is 12th exam, or in some people's case it may be diploma in either engineering or some other courses. Next after that, yeah, it's written degrees. So have you graduated from university or will be graduating shortly? So click on yes. After that, in which country will you get a degree or will be getting a degree shortly? India. Then below that, it's name of your university. Now I have selected just a random university from this, but you can search your university over here. If your university name is not given in this list, just click over here, other university. After that, you have to write name of your highest university degree. I have selected a random degree. From this, you select your degree of your choice, in which degree you are pursuing your degree. Like, okay, if your degree name is not mentioned over here, click on other degree over here. Then also they ask you for the subject in which you are studying, like mechanical engineering, electrical engineering, etc. So I've selected a random thing, 3D animation and visual effects. Okay, if it's not mentioned your subject of your degree, then click on other subject. Last, it's written test AS. So do you want to enter test AS information? So click on no and save. So yes, so as you can see, we are completed with the applicant information and educational history thing. Other thing is I would like to say is this number you should remember it. This is your Uniassist applicant number, and the next things I will show you in the next video. So do keep watching this series of Uniassist, and we'll cover everything in this. As you can see here, this is the home tab. You just have to click on this tab, and there's a list that is course catalog over here. So course catalog is the list where you get all the programs and colleges available. So like if our semester is, you can select the semester from here. So now it's winter semester 2021, so I have selected that. If you want to select the particular university, you can select it from here. For instance, I'll select, where is Munich? UNI Technical. Yeah. So as you can see here, there's Munich. Yeah. So yours is it is Technical University Munich or Technische Universität München. I'll select this. Now, when we select this university, there are this variety of courses, that is bachelor, diploma, and masters. So I'm applying for the master's course. So what I will do is select over here, click on select. Now over here, you have to keep it as it is. First semester, admission type, OTS NC, and add to selection. So when you click add to selection, it shows here the course of study was added to your selection list. So here you can see this is the selection list, or in other language I would say this is a cart, just like your Amazon or Flipkart. So in this cart the course is added. As you go here, you can see this course is added over here, that is the master's course for that particular university. So Another thing is, for the first application you have to pay 75 euros, and for the second application you have to pay 30 euros. So if you're like targeting for only one university, then it will be 75 euros for that particular course. So from here I'll guide you towards the other part. So see, this is not the complete process. The main thing is about to start from here. As it is written, show additional application related questions. So that is like no unanswered mandatory questions. So here you have to click on this. For every application you have to do this, I think. Yeah. So here it's written studies completed at a German university or applied sciences. You don't have to fill this part. Just go down, and yeah, so studies completed outside of Germany. So what you have to do is you have to fill these things now. Please provide information here on period of study, apprenticeship, work experience, or from the top order. Like first you have to provide the latest work experience. Like if you're working somewhere, provide that first, then name and place of that institution, then the field of subjects and the name of qualification or etc. So you have to click here pass, yes. Then like after like your work experience, like assume you're working presently, but before that you must be having some internships. So put the internships down here. Similarly, second internship, third internship, and so on. So first things first, like work experience, internships, all that. Second is this activities prior to application. Please use the space to provide details on all the periods of time prior to application if applicable. Okay, so this is the length of activity, type of activity, from when to when, what you did, right? You can do this. I think it's not compulsory, but for some courses it is compulsory activities prior to your application. So whatever extracurricular activities like paper publications or any certifications you have to fill it in this place. Another thing I forgot to tell you all is, see, when you do this like work experience, then internships. So after that, what you have to do, it's, see, they have written over here apprenticeship, course study, work placement. So like if you if you have finished entering all the details of work experience and internship, after that you have to enter like bachelor's. So if you have done bachelor's in mechanical engineering, write here bachelor's in mechanical engineering, name and place of the institution, your field of subject, that is mechanical engineering, name of qualification or employment. Again you can put the same thing, pass, yes. So in similar fashion, after that you will write if someone has done 12th, so he'll write 12th grade, secondary, higher education, something like that. Or if someone has done diploma, he'll write diploma details over here. You also have to provide, if I write here diploma in mechanical engineering in this place, like this, diploma in something mechanical engineering. So after that, put a dash and provide the month and year from when you started. So like if you have started from May 2015, you will write from May 2015 to May 2018. So in this format you have to write. So if you have, like, I think it's easy now, it's not that difficult. You have to just fill it out from the highest to the lowest. So when you'll fill all these details, at the lower part there is cancel and save. So you have to save all these things. So just click on save and the things are saved. Now the next part is